Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how you can share your Abdo digital content in Schoology. This video is mainly for librarians. Many librarians do not give grades for classes. Schoology imports the classes directly from the grading system. Your system may not allow you to create classes. So another way to share digital content in Schoology is by creating groups. First, in Schoology, click on Groups. On the right side of the screen, click the My Groups link. Next, click Create Groups. Name your group. You can do one for each grade, homeroom, or you could simply do the entire school, which is what I will be doing today. I like to change my privacy to school only. And then select a category. Click Create. Now you will need to add members. On the left side of your screen, click Members in the left column. Click Add Members. Here you can click on each student that you would like to add. If you are doing the entire school, it's very easy to just go through and click each name. If you are not using your entire school, you're going to break it up into grade levels. Of course, you will need to click only those names. In the box beside Add Members Without Invite, click this button. Otherwise, the students will have to actually accept the invitation. Click Add Members. Now you can send updates and messages. To send a message, click Group Options. Click Send Message. You can choose to send to all members, which is what I will be doing today. Then type the name of your subject, New Ebooks. Then in the message line, check out our new Abdo ebooks. Underneath the message box, there is a button for links. Click the link button. You will need to paste your code in this box. Go to the Abdo digital bookshelf. You will need to log in using your admin credentials. Click Enter. Then click on your account by clicking My Account. This takes you to the back office of the Abdo digital bookshelf. About halfway down the page, there's an account links link. Underneath where it says account links, copy this link. This link gives access to your readers for the entire online library account with no login required. Copy this link, go back to Schoology, paste this link in the link embedded box. Underneath that link, I'm going to title it Abdo Digital Ebooks, and then click Attach. Next, I will send the message. Now when my students log into their Schoology, they don't even have to go into a course. They can just simply click on the message box at the top corner. They will see that they have a new message, and then they'll see that they have a message from me. All they will have to do is go read the message, click on the link, and it takes them directly to the Abdo digital bookshelf with no login or password required. Thank you for watching.